Okay, for some reason, the video for solving word problems using linear equations part 1 stops when we're talking about the second part of the line. Okay, so here is the new recording. Okay, so we figured out that if you just give a value to x and substitute it, if x is equal to 3, then y will be equal to 11. So let us put in another value. Okay, let's say x is equal to 1. Okay, so again, y is equal to 2 times x, which is equal to 1, plus 5. Y is equal to 2 plus 5, and therefore, if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. Okay, so now you have your two coordinate points. Okay, and the next part is to plot it on the graph. Okay, so your first coordinate point is 3, 11. Please, I saw a lot of you making mistakes flipping the x and y. Okay, x first, y next. So 3 and 11. Now, some of you say, oh my God, the graph ends at 10. What am I going to do to get to 11? OMG, you can extend the graph. Okay, so I will put 11 around here. There you go. Then the next one is 1 and 7. So 1 and 7. There you go. So you have two coordinate points. Okay? So 3 and 11, 1 and 7. Okay. So now let's put in our straight line. Okay, let's make that a different color. Okay? So once you put your line here, okay? So once you have your line there, pretty much you can determine where what y will be just by looking at x here. For example, if x is 3, you know y will be 11. If x is 1, y will be 7. What about if x is 2? Let's check. If x is 2, what will y be? Let's check. Okay, y will be equal to 9. Okay, you don't need to do your calculations. It will just be equal to 9 because you did your graph correctly. Now, if you don't believe me, let's check. Okay, so what will y be if x is equal to 2? Let's say x is equal to 2. So y equals 2x plus 5 equals 2 times 2 plus 5 equals 4 plus 5. Y is equal to 9. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 9. X is 2, y is 9. So let's label that point. When x is 2, y is 9. When x is 3, y is 11. And when x is 1, y is 7. So you need to label your points. Okay? So hope this helps. The next one will show you how to use the graph that you made to answer word problems using linear equations. Okay? Bye-bye.